When you're in a business that is, you can lose $100,000 by a one-day mistake, $200,000, $400,000, $1 million by one mistake. You don't use residential units to control, and especially without redundancy. You should even have a second ducking system with redundancy. You use something like Blemo or even the Blemo Red. You use a control module that has built-in double redundancy. You don't use a home residential Honeywell zone controller with Honeywell units when you can lose $100,000 to $1 million depending on the size of your production facility. You just don't do that. I could understand in the beginning when a business is trying to make, but this is just a message to those who are out there in certain business aspects of this industry, especially in San Francisco and actually everywhere. Don't use residential. You will be sorry. You will have losses. They do break down. They're not perfect. Everything breaks down, but would you like to break down and lose everything more often, or would you like to be a rare occasion? And on top of that, you should have double redundancy. And looking at this cluster F here, of course when you get the cheapest bid wins, but yeah, don't use residential when you can lose $100,000 in a few hours because one fails. Don't do that. All right guys, I'll see you.